In this lesson, we are going to create scheduled reminders. These will trigger an alert to appear at a specific time on this Mac and other devices signed into the same iCloud account. Let's add a new reminder and call it Change Water Filter. Click the Add Date button below, and we can choose from some suggestions such as tomorrow or next week. Choose Custom, and we can then select any date on the mini calendar that pops up. I'll select April 7th. We can then set the reminder for a specific time from the Add Time button. Notice that we only have 5 suggested times here. I'll go with 9 a.m. Next, let's add a reminder called Pickup Package. This time, rather than using the buttons below, let's click the Info button here. From the Info panel, we can toggle on just the date or both date and time. Notice in here we can set an exact time. For this example, I'll set the schedule reminder for just a couple of minutes from now. I'm going to bring up my iPhone, and when the set time arrives, an alert will appear on both the Mac and iPhone because the reminder was synced via iCloud. Here on the Mac, we can interact with the alert and choose to mark the reminder as completed or select a Remind Me option. Reminders are never automatically marked as completed. Whether they are standard reminders, scheduled, or location-based, a click is needed to mark them as completed. Next, let's create a reminder called Trash and Recycle. My trash and recycle bins are picked up once every 2 weeks on Friday morning. So I'm going to set this reminder for Thursday evening at 7 p.m. Then go to the Repeat menu and set it up to remind me biweekly. And in this case, I don't want the repeating reminder to end. The Trash and Recycle reminder is now saved and will alert me every other Thursday at 7 p.m. Between the recycle weeks, I just need to take out the trash. So I can make a similar but separate reminder for that. So I will set up this reminder called Trash Only that will also occur every 2 weeks on the Thursdays that the Trash and Recycle reminder skips. We now have these reminders occurring on alternating weeks, specifying when I need to take out only the trash or the trash and recycle bins. Notice in the Smart Lists that we now have 4 scheduled reminders, and one of those occurs today. Mark the Pickup Package reminder as completed, and it's removed from the Today Smart List.